In this video, I'm gonna show you how I gain over 8% doing nothing in my free M1 Finance Roth IRA account, and you can too. But first, let's play the intro. What's up guys, welcome back to a brand new video of investing for the future. Now before we get started with this video, I would like for you guys to just hit the like button below and subscribe to the channel so you stay notified when I post new videos. So I'll give you guys a second, just smash the like button, subscribe, turn on your notification bell, and let's hop into this video. Now in this video I'm gonna go over my M1 Finance Roth IRA account and how I gain over 8% in just 5 weeks for my retirement. Let's hop over to the M1 Finance platform and let's get started. Now over here, if you can see, my total return is 8.19%, and that was started from December 9th to present. Today is January 26th. It's Sunday. And I've gained a total of $162.03, and $9.42 is earned dividends. So overall I gain $152.61 to be exact. Now over the past few weeks, I've been constantly depositing every week a portion of my paycheck into my Roth IRA account, and these are the the stocks and ETFs and mutual funds I've owned. I have VOO, Tesla, Microsoft, Amazon, Apple, SPHD, Google, Realty Income, NVDA, VXUS, and Aurora Cannabis. Now Aurora Cannabis, I've took the biggest hit so far. It's down for me almost 9%, and the reason why I won't sell this because Aurora Cannabis has recently joined the market, and I think it's gonna be one of the big thing in the coming 5 to 10 years. So this is my retirement account, and this I'm gonna be holding for the next 35-40 years, and I don't think I would sell it for now. Now, as I said earlier, Aurora Cannabis has recently joined the market. Sorry, my bad on that. Cannabis have recently blown up because it's become legal to use it, not like before it was illegal. So this is a Canadian company, and this, I think Aurora Cannabis is the second largest cannabis company in the world. I might be wrong on that, please do your own research. This is only entertainment purpose, and whatever I say in this video, just take it as a joke. Now, and my biggest earnings in my portfolio is Tesla. I think yesterday was Saturday. Friday I put in $200 more into my Tesla, and now I owned almost a share, and I have my net cash flow in Tesla. I've put in $394.88, and overall I gained $77.64. I'm overweight by this amount because I've set my position for Tesla in my portfolio to be only 9%, and so far I'm 16.1% because I recently put in an extra $200 rather than let the $200 divided into all my positions. I'm currently holding 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 stocks and ETF mutual funds, and I think I will continue to hold this for the next coming decade, all of this for the next coming decade or so, unless it tanked really bad and I have to change it. Now, the few companies which I think I will never sell is VOO, Tesla, Microsoft, Amazon, Apple, SPHD. However, Google, Realty Income, NVDA, VXUS, and Aurora Cannabis, I will see how they play out in the next 10 to 15 years. Who knows, I might sell them tomorrow if the stock market tanked, but those are the company I'm gonna be looking into further than the few I have listed at the top here. And these are the company that it's basically I'm waiting for like an Aurora Cannabis. It's probably gonna be a pump and dump for me, meaning that when it goes up, shoot up like a, let's say, a few 100%, I'm gonna be selling it before it climbs down. Right now Aurora Cannabis is sitting at $1.99 per share. I bought in when it was $2.18. I currently own almost 37 shares. And over here I'm thinking I will try to at least own 1,000 shares in before the end of this year of Aurora Cannabis. And I think over the next 4 to 5 years this will be valued at well over $25, so that's going to be a significant profit for me, and I'll probably sell it then. Who knows, depends on the market, depends on the news that's coming out. Now NVDA, if I click over here, this is a technology company. This was one of the company that used to develop Tesla battery. I think that this is one of the companies that used to develop Tesla battery. Now if we take a look over here, view this detail, over the past 5 year this stock have went up over 1100%, and over the past 3 years, well, over the years, last year it dropped, like I think that was in last January 2019, when, and between 2018 December to January 2019 the stock market had collapsed a little, and this was when NVDA took a hit. If we go at the 3-year chart, you could see over here, this was October in 2018 to January, and then it started to go up from there. This is a company I think will value in the next 5 to 10 years well over $500. So I'm gonna hold this for, like I said, the next 5 to 10 years. I'm gonna hold these couple companies. And NVDA, by the end of this year I want to own at least 10 shares. And I know a couple of minutes ago I said Aurora Cannabis, I want to own at least 1,000 shares. Well, my position for my entire portfolio is 3% at the moment. I don't think I will own 1,000 shares. Let me correct that, probably 150 shares by the end of this year. Now right now I have almost $3,000, well, almost $2,800 invested in my retirement account. Now this amount I'm trying to, if I go to funded history, I'm trying to maximum my cap for last year still, because I have until the final tax day of this year to contribute for last year. Then I'm gonna go over to this year and I'm gonna fund this year to max it as well. I'm gonna try to max last year as well as this year by the end of this year, and then I go with the flow from next year. Now Realty Income. Now Realty Income is a real estate company, and so far I've owned 1.76 shares in it, and I've gained $3.64, almost 3% in return. Now this is one of the company I'm a little skeptical about, because no one knows what's gonna play out if we do have a stock market crash, and this could be one of the company that tank from, let's go over to the history of this. This could be one of the company that gonna see a big hit, because when the stock market crash, people don't have a job, companies are laying out, no one is hiring, people can't pay their mortgage, people can't pay their rent. And I think this is one of the company that might, who knows, that might take a huge hit, that it's almost $80 right now, go back all the way to $50. But again, I've been hearing that we're gonna have a stock market crash for the past 2 to 3 years, as long as I could remember, for the past 2 to 3 years, and I haven't seen that as yet. So no one knows when the stock market is gonna crash, if we're gonna have a crash, and I don't think we're gonna have one. because our economy is going so strong at the moment, and that's one of the reasons why I say I might sell my international stocks in the coming future. If we go over here, VXUS. Now this company is investing in the stock market for all international company, that's meaning that company that's not in the United States. Every other company that's outside of the United States, this fund is investing it. I think how many holdings? Almost 6,400 holdings. Inception date 2011. Non-US stocks 95%. Cash almost 4%. US stocks 0.77%. Now this is something I might sell in the coming future, but if we look at over the past 5 years, an average return for this company is not that significant. Over the past 5 years, divided by 13%, is a little over 2%, which is not a huge deal. But if we check the dividend is over 6% minus the expense is like 2.97% is the yield dividend, which is not too bad. But this is something I don't think I will hold for a long while. Let's go Microsoft. Now this company Microsoft, I own over 1.5 shares of Microsoft. Total gain is almost 9%, which is almost $16. Now let's go view the details. Now I recently made a video on why I think Microsoft will be the first company to hit the $2 trillion market cap. Now I will link the video in the top right or left corner of the screen right now, and please feel free to go over to that video, take a look at it, let me know what you think. Let me know if you think that this company or either Microsoft or Apple, which one you think will hit the $2 trillion threshold first. I think Microsoft, but we're only humans, we don't know what could happen tomorrow, right? Let me know your decision, let me know what you think in the comment below. Yeah guys, so this is it. This is all the funds ETF that I'm holding at the moment, and these are the company that make me gained over 8% over the past 5-6 weeks right now, from December 9th to Jan 26th today. And the Aurora Cannabis, I've took 7 almost 9% hit on that. So let's say it's last Friday, that was January 24th, we took a huge hit in the stock market. And I can remember like Thursday when the stock market opened, I was over 10%, and I said I was gonna make a video how I gained over 10%, and before the end of the day it just went ballistic, it just went down. And the same thing for Friday, as I could remember. So I'm making this video now guys to show you how I gained over 8% in this short couple of weeks, and some people have waited over like a year to gain 7-8%, and I'm just thankful that I gained the 8% threshold in just under 2 months, and you guys could do that as well. Just let me know, I will copy the link, I will share my pie, copy, send it to you, leave a comment below, let me know if you want it, I will send it over to you. You guys open a free M1 Finance account with the link below. You get $20 upon signing up before January 31st 2020. Anything other than that is $10 you get upon signing up. So go over, get the free money, open your account, let me know if you want my pie, I'll share it and give it to you. Let me know what you think about this video guys, and don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for future video. And thank you, I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.